Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Mia Secret collection haul and swatch. This time I have the Sweet collection, which only has the 6 colours in it. I paid $23.81 Australian money, and it took about 2 weeks. I think it was a couple of days shy of 2 weeks to get from America to here. But I'll open it up and then I'll get ready to swatch them. I've changed my lighting. I turned my lamp off because I felt like the yellow glow of it just wasn't making the colours seem true on camera, whereas it looks a little darker now, but I feel like it looks pretty accurate to how they actually look. We'll swatch them anyway, even though it's clear to see that they're gorgeous. I'll use my Mia Secret monomer and my favourite brush, NSI's Grand Kalinsky. I'm going to talk through this one again, just because I didn't get any complaints on the last video with me talking during it. But I absolutely love Mia Secret so far. I have a fair few of their products, and I'm considering doing like a full brand review. I might accumulate a few extra things and then do a total review, because I think for beginners it's probably the best brand that I've come across. But I just think their prices, the availability, and how easy it is to work with just makes the brand above all the others for me. And I have tried a fair few brands, but for some reason I'm always leaning towards Mia Secret. Again, Mia Secret is like, it's so creamy and smooth. I feel like on that side it just does not do justice to how sparkly it is. Like compared to in the pot, it's super sparkly, but on the stick like that it doesn't look so sparkly. Regardless, it's still gorgeous and it has the sparkle to it. At some point I've bumped the camera and was doing it all out of shot, but anyway, continue on. The sparkle is so pretty. I'm loving all of these colours, they're so gorgeous. And then again, now that I've given an idea of like how easy it is to put on, and I'm not very good at doing it either, so I'll do the last couple off the camera and I'll come back and show the colours. Alrighty, so I've swatched, and I mean I've said it 100 times, I think I'll just keep saying it. I absolutely love Mia Secret. These are my favourite things I've bought so far out of NSI and Hawley, Eenie Couture. I've bought a fair few different brands now, and Mia Secret is my favourite, so I think there'll probably be some more of the collections to come from me. The camera is just not doing it justice of how good it is, and that's so frustrating. I'm hoping I'll quickly finish up and I'll take some pictures for the end, and hopefully the pictures do more justice than what it's doing at this angle and with this lighting, because they're absolutely beautiful. I definitely would recommend the buy. Even, and I say 2 weeks, I've recently just moved. I live in the Outback in Queensland, and I've moved even further into the Outback. I mean, it's still nearly 20 to 30 kilometres just to my mailbox. So 2 weeks, if you were in the CBD of Sydney or Melbourne or Brisbane or whatever, you'd probably get it a lot faster than 2 weeks. And I think they're 100% worth the money. These were 23. I did get the other ones as a bloody good bargain for the 12 colours. I'll still pay the full price for, you know, I think it's $40 for the 12 colour sets now, unless I can catch a deal like I did last time. But otherwise I will pay the full price because I absolutely love them and I want to have every single one that they have in my collection. Anyway, so I hope someone enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.